Hey guys, it's me with Eyes. How you doing today? So today I'm gonna be watching Sheryn Regis perform "Coming In Out of the Rain" from a Star in a Million contest. No one asked me to watch it, but it's just like, I wanna watch it, you know what I mean? And she's a lesbian now. When I saw that news, I was like, what? That is crazy. What better way to celebrate it than watching her coming out of the rain? You know what, maybe she was signaling it back then. Ooh. But anyways, let us watch the one who brought this song into the limelight. Here we go. Her middle name is May. Ooh. Actually, no, the reason why I want to watch this is because Morissette sang it and I couldn't get it out of my head.
Together happily. And after all the wrong I've done, you feel that I'm still the one to give your love to. So bring it home to you. You told me that you'd love me if I never changed. Welcome me into your arms. Come on and out of the rain. Hey, hey.
She has to sing this live after coming out because like the message of this song of being welcomed back into someone's arm after such a life-changing event, like you have to do it. It just hit different. Yes, walk down those stairs.
No one but you.
Me?
I say, I know I made you blue. You've spoken to my very soul. You wanted my heart that once was cold. Now I'm so glad to know. No, you told me that you loved me if I never changed. Welcome me into your arms again. Come on and out of the rain. Hey, hey.
Hey!
There's a place
Ooh,
in your heart.
come on, back up. Bring it.
baby,
Mm-hmm.
come out of the rain.
Okay, so knowing that she's lesbian now and hearing this song in a different light and reading the article that she always knew that she preferred females, it's like I think this song really captured what she was feeling inside and what she wanted to be accepted, not just by like a lover, but by a community. And perhaps that is why she just like delivers the song in it, why she made it so popular. Now I know this isn't her original song, but I really think that she captured the emotion of the song because of what she was personally going through, and that is why it just became the hit, the bop, and why you just love to listen to it, love to hear her sing. I'm happy that she came out. I'm happy that her family accepted her. So congratulations, Sheryn, on coming out. Now I need to hear you sing Coming Out of the Rain one more time. Just like give me a 2022 update of the song and I will be happy. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all later. Bye!